In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an audio visualizer in CapCut PC. So if you want to create a music spectrum effect that reacts to your audio and makes your videos look more professional, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then import the video that you want to edit and add it to your timeline. Once your video has been added, click on Library and look for the green screen category. Here you'll find various effects that you can use in your projects. Next, locate the Audio Spectrum green screen effect and add it to your timeline above your main video. After inserting the effect, select the Audio Spectrum clip and click on Remove Background. Now choose Chroma Key and use the Color Picker tool to select the green background. Once you've selected the green color, adjust the cleanup edge and other chroma key settings until the green screen is completely removed and only the visualizer remains visible. You can then resize and reposition the visualizer anywhere on your video to match your preferred style. Finally, play the video to preview the effect and make any adjustments if needed. And that's how you can add an audio visualizer in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and editing tips.